Common reasons why a furnace malfunctions. Furnace malfunctions can result from various issues, and diagnosing the exact cause depends on the specific symptoms and the type of furnace you have. Here are some common reasons why a furnace might malfunction. Dirty or clogged filters. One of the most common issues is a dirty or clogged air filter. A dirty filter can restrict airflow, reducing the furnace's efficiency and potentially causing it to overheat. Ignition problems. Furnaces use various methods to ignite the fuel gas or oil. Problems with the ignition system, such as a faulty igniter, pilot light, or electronic ignition, can prevent the furnace from starting. Thermostat issues. Incorrect thermostat settings, a malfunctioning thermostat, or wiring problems can lead to heating issues. Ensure that the thermostat is set correctly and is functioning properly. Lack of maintenance. Regular maintenance is crucial for the proper functioning of a furnace. Lack of maintenance can lead to various issues, including dirty components, wear and tear, and decreased efficiency. Faulty flame sensor. The flame sensor is responsible for detecting the presence of a flame. If it becomes dirty or malfunctions, the furnace may shut down as a safety measure. Gas supply issues. If your furnace runs on natural gas or propane, issues with the gas supply, such as a closed valve, gas line problems, or a faulty gas valve, can lead to malfunctions. Blower motor problems. The blower motor is responsible for distributing heated air throughout your home. Issues with the motor, such as wear and tear or electrical problems, can result in poor airflow. Clogged condensate drain. High-efficiency furnaces produce condensate that needs to be drained away. If the condensate drain becomes clogged, it can lead to system shutdowns. Faulty limit switch. The limit switch is a safety feature that shuts off the furnace if it detects overheating. A malfunctioning limit switch can cause the furnace to shut down prematurely. Electrical issues. Problems with the electrical components, such as wiring, relays, or the control board, can lead to malfunctions. Electrical issues should be addressed by a qualified technician. It's important to note that troubleshooting and repairing a furnace can be complex. And if you are not familiar with HVAC systems, it's best to consult with a professional technician to diagnose and address the specific issue. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can help prevent many of these common furnace problems.